I'm gonna be probably have an opportunity to take some questions on the call. I will learn. I don't know if are you guys seeing my screen? Oh boy. How many of you have money already? Come on. So how many of you took this trade? So I actually told you guys that this is actually 15 minutes. Let me see 1 hour. Oh, it did pretty well. Wasn't bad. I'm getting in on this market right now. So let's see. Is this a disturbance? Ah, but this was a good break. This was a good retest. Yes, there is a fair value gap between this area and this area. I may want to come to this level for a good move. Okay, but an entry here right now and a stop loss below this area is not a bad one. That is, please, the door, please. That's about almost 60 pips. Okay, and the potential is quite amazing. So 130, 60 pips for 130 is not a bad risk to reward. Okay, so if you feel like you don't want this market to put door, Tenny, please. So okay, so if you feel like you don't want to wait for this market to come back, where is this guy? Where is this guy? Where is this guy? So long. If you're buying here right now, it means you're giving this market almost a 60 pips SL, okay, to actually get 120. So that's a 1:2. Okay, if you're taking the market where it is right now. But a good way, so you can do a light entry buy on this market, light entry buy, or you wait for it to come to this level. You're gonna have a good trade and a good reward when it comes to this level, but it may not come because it has broken and retested this area. It may continue from here. Okay, and if we're looking at the sentiment right about now, I think the sentiment is in good favor of GBP. So that could continue driving throughout the day. Okay, so that's gonna be my call on GBP USDs. Either you wait for a good trade, is you waiting for this market to come to this area. It may come, it may not come. All right, but the flight trade will be for you to get in where it is right now. What? Let me look at. Is there news anytime soon? I think there was news. There was news around 130 CAD USD. Okay. Medium impact around. So there was a negative effect on the market on US, but it's a medium, not a strong one. Wanted to, so it was just all on CAD. So okay, let me see. Am I on? I think. Let me see if this is going to be the buy to the sell. Okay, let me take a position for buy. That is 160 pips. That is going to be 130.32. Okay, 130, 1.13030. Okay, take profit one is going to be, so let me drag out this one. Take profit one is going to be 13113. Take profit two is going to be, all right, 13. No, I didn't get it right. I'm not sure I got it right. So I'm buying here. This is 58 pips. Okay, take profit one is not bad. That's 1.3145. That's what I wanted to write. So I'm just going to take a light one there, knowing that the market could actually see come down. Modify. 3145, right? 3145, that's good. GBP USD. Let's go. Stop loss 3130, right? Three zero 3030. I hope you guys are writing this down. And take profit 231 3213 32. Let me just do 10. Okay, sure. That's my trade on GBP USD. Okay. So it's either you taking it where it is right now. I took it. I'm taking it. That's what I'm telling you. Okay. I bet another trade is going to be here. All right. But it may not come there. But if it does, it's going to be a good trade. It's going to be a better trade because why? It has a better reward. Okay. So that is, I already gave you guys EU. I'm already on EU. I told you guys last night that I'm buying. Okay. My stop loss is quite far. my stop loss because it's a swing market. I'm doing a swing market on EU. But if you want to take EU for intraday, not long term, my stop loss is actually here. Okay, because I know this market is coming all the way here. All right, so I'm buying all the way here. So the risk to reward is more than 1 to 2 actually. Okay, so if you want to buy, there are two ways you can actually capitalize on this buy. You could actually use a stop loss for this, not to risk much. Okay, so not to risk much, you're using a 35 pips stop loss rather than going to use 100 pips. Okay, and take profit one. You could actually take a profit one here. Okay, which could happen anytime today, or you go use a take profit two, take profit three. So I'm already on Euro USD for a buy and it's in profit. Yeah, I actually got on this low. Yeah. So these are two trades that you can actually get in for a buy now. Okay. What else? What else? What else? So Euro USD buy. So if you guys are looking for entry, you could actually do a market execution where it is right now. Market execution, stop loss here. Okay, that is, this is a high risk stop loss, or would I say good risk to reward stop loss. You could do a take profit one here. You could do a take profit two here. So take profit two is 1.1115. Take profit one is 1.1045, which is good. Stop loss is 1.0876. Okay, someone can type it on the chat. That's an entry. It's a market execution. It means you go into the market, you buy now. Okay, you use a light risk. When you're trading live, like this, because of the intraday factor, use probably 0.5 or 1% of your account. All right, so you could swing. So it's a swing trade, so you could swing. So as you grow into the market, you could begin to pull your stop loss into your break even. As the market hits here, take profit two. You could do take profit 1, 2, 3 on this market, or take profit 1 and 2. So you begin to modify your trade as it moves. Does that make sense? Okay, USD JPY. So I told you guys, yeah, let's see. Is this guy preparing? Why is this looking like this? Let me look at that. Okay, good guys. Oh, look at what this market has done. I think this is a good move. This is a good move for a sell, actually. This is a good move for a sell. Let me see. I'll give you guys a hint, right? This is a good move for a sell. So this is a rate, okay? This is a sell side liquidity. This is a rate. Market came right now. Now I'm going to watch out for two things. So I'm on a 4-hour time frame. I'm going to watch out for two things. Okay. If I go on a 15 minutes time frame, this is what I'm going to watch out for. Okay. I want market to take out this low. So this is a good sell proposition, but I feel so on the 15 minutes, this market has actually created market structure. So this is a break of structure. This is a break of structure. Our market came test off this area. They didn't really test this well, did it? Okay, didn't really test it well. So let me see something. Let me see. I just want to see it on the 15 minutes and see if we have an. Let me take this one out. Good. So there's no fair value gap. There's no fair value gap in the market. There's no gap in the market. So this is a test of the sell side liquidity. It could be going down, but I would want this market to take this out. Then we can sell a strong sell. If this market take this low out and break off this sell zone, it's going to sell pretty wide. Okay, it's going to sell pretty wide. So that is one of the things I can look out for. Another way to get in on this trade, because I'm on a 15 minutes, it only looks pretty on the 15 minutes. So we have 1, 2. So there's a break of structure. If this market creates another break of structure, one of the things you guys are going to find out that this market is going to come. Oh, hold on. Okay, there was a fair value gap on the I get it. Okay, there was a fair value gap on the hourly, and market has filled that fair value gap. Guys, okay, so one of the things I can tell you, we have a first break of structure. If the second break of structure occurs, this is gonna be a good sell trade. Okay, so one of the things I'm gonna wait out for, if there's a second break of structure, it's gonna create a momentum. Till I come back to this area, I'll come back to this area, it's gonna be a sell. But one thing I do know is, you see these areas, all right, we're gonna have a sell somewhere around here. So if this market breaks right now, probably may leave a gap. So I'll watch out for this move on the downside. This is quite a good it's quite a good risk to reward if this plays out. I like it. So I could do this. This is 135 to get 166, not bad. But if you want to make it really, really unrisky, okay, it's just 76 to get 200, which is almost a 1-to-3 ratio. That is the first move. This is the first into the move. Okay, the total range for this market, for this sell side liquidity, is actually all the way down here. Can I take you out? Let me do that again. Market sells here. This is the range of this market. It's going to drop all the way down. So it means you're going to be doing this, all right, to get all of this, which is a 1-to-6 ratio. This is the next move that I'm looking at for daily move. But let's see how it plays out on. That is if it goes down. If it makes a decision to take that range to go down. But ultimately on the day, okay, this is, I told you guys that I am looking for the market to actually hit this area, which is this, to form a push on the downside, to come down, okay? That is, if it comes up here, we're going to have a good sell towards, because there's a sell side liquidity, there's a sell side liquidity. Market broke out that sell side liquidity. Now it has to take this off to sell. So this market has very good opportunity to sell down all the way here, but it needs to form. So I'm seeing a body here, I'm seeing a shoulder here, I'm seeing a head here, okay? And I'm seeing a shoulder here. If I see this market come here, I'm going to be selling crazily to down, okay? To come, this is swing opportunity to come this low, okay? This is the next buy side liquidity, but we need a sell here, which is going to be premium. Good opportunity for a weekly sell, okay? That's what I am looking at for. So anything I'm doing between this area and this area is selling before time. So 1 hour is looking good. It's preparing for a sell right now, but on a daily, it has the opportunity to get here. So that's why I don't want to risk too much if it gets here, so that I get a better opportunity for a good swing. Does that make sense? Patience is the key to trading. Wait for your position, be patient enough. So if it breaks this area, that's a good sign that it has broken a trend on an hourly and it could sell. So that's my USD JPY outlook. You guys can take a screenshot of that. When it is getting set, when this happens, I'm dropping an alarm. Okay, this is what I want you guys to do. When I send any trade, okay, so this is one of the things I want you guys to do in 1,000 Banks community. Okay, some of you are better interpreters of my trade. What I do is I'll send the trade. If you're watching the trade, not everybody have the opportunity to watch the trade. Be your brother's keeper. If you're watching the trade, you could just type on the chat that, hey, Kendry, okay, there's been a break of the lower row. I'm waiting for a retest. So that alerts people, okay, that are busy not to miss out on the trade. You guys can do that. I could leave here right now before I get on the chat again. It's going to be, we're doing a lot of things right now. We're preparing for launch. We're making, every resource of it. So there's so much we're doing. The fact that I'm showing up every day with you guys, it's a lot of sacrifice. But I really want to do this so that you guys understand. So you can help me. So when I give you guys the analysis, all right, and you are not too busy, you're watching the trade, you could actually let someone know. So I know that I'm waiting for this trade when it breaks this area. So the moment it breaks, you could just say USD JPY broken. Okay, so that gives me an alert to say, okay, yeah, let me watch out for what's the best entry. And I can tell you guys in the chat that, okay, I'm in now. All right. So that gives you the confidence of jumping in with me. Does that make sense? Just like you guys traded with me on Euro USD. Any questions so far? I'm going to send this on the group right now. So it's either we're selling here, it's either it breaks and continue here for us to sell here. I'll let you guys know when it's there, when it's okay to enter. Best area to enter is when it rejects on the 4 hour, when it hits this area. Okay, when it rejects 4 hour, that's voila. Okay, I'll show you guys the risk as well. I'll type it on the chat. Okay, and it probably will happen in the course of this week. If it does, fine. If it doesn't, we wait. Okay, we've made over 400-500 pips on the upside since we bought. But we actually bought USD JPY around here. Okay, it's done way over since we bought. Okay, over 600 pips. All right, so we're waiting for another move to give us about 800 pips. So another 800 pips, I think is well over 1,000 pips. All right, so let's stick together. So that's what I'm looking for. Let me do this again. Any questions so far? Is there anything you guys are looking at you want me to look at for you? You want to ask a question, you could just take the next couple of minutes, ask a question, and I'll answer. All right. So that's USD JPY. Okay. I already gave you guys GU. So this is GU setup. So let me, in case for people that want to continue this, I said this is the next area of entry. So we got in here right now, but this is the next area of entry. So I'll put it here. Good. And the stop loss still same levels. And the take profits to the same level. So you can see that that gives more better risk to reward, but this is good. This is climaxing already. So yeah. When you hit take profit one, don't forget to type on the chat that you hit take profit one. So take profit one is around here. Okay, so I know this is not too crowded, but let me type it on the chat. And if you are here, probably on YouTube or you're on this call right now, you are not trading with us every day. You're missing out. We made money this morning. We're still gonna make. We made money yesterday morning. We made money this morning, and we're still gonna make money tomorrow. Should be trading with us every day. All right. Tell your friends to come trade with us every day. We have some amazing trainings and special trades we're giving you guys. This is okay, good. GBP USD buy setup. You can just send a message on the DM. All right, you can send a message on my personal DM. I am Kenvry on Instagram. I'll send you the link to join the group. It's for free. Okay, with that being said, hello. God bless you guys. Have an amazing. Nobody asked me a question. I said you can ask a question, but nobody's asking me a question right now. But that's my time. Those are the trades that I'm looking at. Those are the trades that I'm in. So we bought GBP USD. I'm already on Euro USD. I'm waiting for an opportunity on USD JPY. Gold, I got nothing on gold. I said it in the morning. Okay, but we've analyzed it in the morning as well. Did I show anything on gold on this session? So gold is consolidating. Okay. I'm actually looking at buying gold here. So this is this trade I called on Monday. Gold comes to this area. You can take a screenshot around the 2629 area or 2630 area. Is a buy opportunity on gold if it rejects on 15 minutes on the 1 hour buy. The stop loss is around 2614.697. Just take a screenshot. It shows the red is the entry, the red is the stop loss, the blue is the entry. You could actually use the black for entry as well. That's a daily area, so it's going to be very strong. So that's the next buy. Okay, I am waiting for. And the reverse is if it breaks this, so if I don't get a rejection on the hourly and it keeps falling down, I'm going to wait for a sell, because on overall weekly, daily, the market is on premium. So sell opportunities are going to be stronger when the market breaks this area. So I'll be selling when it breaks this area, return to retest this area, closes an hourly or 15 minutes, we sell. Okay. I'm going to let you guys know when that happens. But right about now, the market is trapped. So I'm not doing anything. Does that make sense? So that's my analysis on gold. All right. Thank you, guys. Peace.